Multiple sclerosis recovery. It's a funny thing. On one hand, the deeper and deeper I go, the more restoration I feel. But on the other, the more I go, it appears that all the answers are not obvious. Like, there are parts that make no sense at all. I've always hated being treated differently because of my MS. I remember learning all the workarounds, those little tricks we all know. But now, all of them, they don't mean anything. They're just temporary fixes. And I hate that term. Managing MS symptoms. Managing? Really? Why can't they just be honest and speak the truth? Why don't they say, we're not gonna sugarcoat anything. Your life is gonna suck. You're gonna feel bad, period. And honestly, there's nothing you can do about it. But I'm different. I'm not shy, and I want to yell as loud as I can. There is something you can do. Complete recovery. It requires you. Nobody, nothing can do it for you. But if you crave it just as much as I did, it's right there, right in your reach. Hey, it's Steve. I wish those answers would be more clear. In a weird way, I feel like I'm an explorer. One of those we grew up reading about in history books. What's on the horizon? Will it be a treasure, or will it be a hostile enemy? I got a very timely comment from Beastly Wild. It's like they knew I was making this video. They write, do you still occasionally get occasional symptoms, although you are not being relapsing? Maybe you get tingling or bouts of numbness. I find I get tingling in my toes and hands regularly. Oh, Beastly Wild. There's a lot I feel I'm forging through. Just completely unknown territory. I tell you in practically every video that I have no MS symptoms anymore. I mean, they've all left. And I completely stand by that. But I've learned there are just little hiccups along the way. I bring it up because I had one of those just the other day. So Beastly Wild, here's my story. Long ago, when my MS was raging and I suffered pretty intensely with a symptom called the Hermite sign. It was an uncomfortable electrical sensation that ran down my spine and into my hands and feet, mostly feet. When it would happen, it would be accompanied by waves of nausea. So strong, I thought I would pass out and throw up all at the same time. It was horrible. Getting back to the other day, It was a weird day, as I said. It wasn't bad, just weird. To start off, my Fitbit wouldn't register a sleep score. It's obvious what day I'm talking about when I show you my past 7 days worth of sleep scores. Okay. Here's where the Hermes sign comes into my story. When in the morning, when I was eating my one meal, when I would tilt my head back to swallow something, I'd feel it. Just a little. It wasn't much. Not like it was. Oh man. If I was to rate a decade ago, it being 100, this was a 5, if that. But I noticed it. Maybe I'm just become so sensitive to it. So it was a weird day. When I tried to recreate it the next day, nothing. It was just a little reminder of how things once was. That makes me smile, thinking how much my life has changed. So amazing. I'm so happy it happened only for a day. It might be how it will be for the rest of my life. Every so often, it will just pop in as a reminder not to get too comfortable. Kind of regrettable, but look at it optimistically. It shows me how much my lifestyle has effect on my MS. So I'm so thankful. I don't have anything in specific to thank. Just everybody and everyone. You, her, everyone. So thanks, Beastie Wild. I asked you for your questions and you didn't let me down. Let me ask everyone. Do any of you have symptoms, plural, you feel it will never go away? Well, maybe not. Maybe it will be something like my Hermes sign where it will occasionally pop in every so often. I hope my story can be an optimistic answer to lift your spirits. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss a video. Until the next one.